Hi everyone, this is Mark Brunet here with Cubebrush. In this short video, I'll show you how simple it is to upload a product on our new platform. What you see here is an empty Cubebrush store. I've already added a profile picture, a short bio, and some basic social media links to my profile. However, it's still missing a couple things before I'm ready to start selling. The first thing I want to do is add a store banner to make it look a little bit more personal. So I've prepared a couple of things here. All I have to do is click and drag my image, and it's going to be uploading it, and it's already looking a lot better. Next, we're going to be adding a new product. So we begin here by clicking add a product. Here we have a couple of things that we need to enter for our product to exist. So the first thing is the product preview box. This is going to be an image or video representing your product. So in this case, I'm going to go select a video and I'm going to paste a YouTube link. As you can see, it sources the thumbnail from the YouTube video, but this might be a little bit too low res depending. So I want to make sure it's nice and crisp. So I'm going to go upload a new one. I'm going to select something like this, crop it however I want. So this is going to load. Meanwhile, we're going to go down here and select the type of product. So this is a 2D product. It's going to be a drawing tutorial. As you can see, the image preview has been loaded. I can hit the play button to start playing the introduction video. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to scroll down here and select the categories for this tutorial. So tutorial, beginner, it's going to be a Photoshop tutorial, and we're going to be talking about drawing, characters, sci-fi. All right, that looks good. Next up is our title. In this case, it's going to be drawing and coloring techniques. I have a quick description here that I can copy paste. Alright, and then I'm going to set the price. And down here we have some preview images, so we can upload up to 4. Those are going to be images to give your customers a better idea of what they're purchasing. So I can just click and drag all my images in there. And below that, the last step is just uploading the content. So I'm going to go select here everything that I want. My chapters, brushes, gradients, and layered PSD. All I have to do is click and drag it in the box, and it's going to upload. So meanwhile, I can rearrange the order here if I want them to be in a particular order. All right, that looks good. When everything is uploaded, I'm ready to publish the new product. And there you have it. It will take a few minutes to process, and when it's complete, you'll be ready to start selling. I've already uploaded a few more in here, as you can see, and we can now take a look at the newly uploaded tutorial. All right, looking good. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough video. Happy selling, and thanks for watching.